let us do some basic dance moves. I need 2 volunteers. Okay, there. Yeah.
You didn't hear that.
That'll be extra. Right? So here we go. Come on. What's up? I'm Chief.
My name is Eddie.
Eddie, what's up? Hansel, Chief. All right. So basic move, and you guys can do this. This is you'll see this on a lot of my YouTube videos. Is just step touch. So all I do is so step out to the right, and then touch, and then step, touch, step, touch. So what I want you to do is musicality-wise. I start teaching to hip hop because it's easier to hear the music. A lot of the music I know these days is EDM, electronic, right? But when you start learning dance, start learning to hip hop. So what you're gonna hear is a bass and a clap and a bass and a clap. Then do the I'm a right at the end.